Hi everyone, tonight I have for you from Nature's Whimsey, Drift Away, and it is in a mojito blend. It is so cute, I had to have it. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how it reacts in the water. Beautiful bright blue foam. And it says that it's a mojito blend. I'm not much of a drinker, so I'm not really sure on what that equals to, but it smells nice and fresh. I think it is super cute. The bathwater is turning very pretty. I really do like the reds and the blues coming out of this. I was reading the description read that there was some yellows and greens. I think maybe that was just written incorrectly because I didn't expect there to be yellows and greens. And there aren't. So maybe it was a copy and paste error, probably. I really do like this. I have to take another picture. It's very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just see what awaits us inside the water. Just look at the colors. It's just very, it's going under. I think there was a little bit of a soap that was under there. Yes, so it's gone, and I believe what's left is either a melt or a soap. Oh, there's still some bath bomb left in there. Yeah, I think it's a melt. Melt there. Those of you that watch me often know that I don't do melts too much. So I'll take it out and see the rest of this bath foam away. And we'll also take the rest of this melt out of here. Oops, drop some more melt in there. So let's take a look at this. Oh gosh, that pool water is so pretty. There is some sheen on top of the water. I suspect if I had left the melt in there longer, it would have gotten a little too oily for me, but that's my preference because I can't take too much oil in my water, but right now it feels really nice. It's not oily, and the bath water doesn't, I think there's a little bit of glitter in there, but that could actually be from my bubble bath because I don't think that there was much glitter in there, if any at all. I didn't see that there was, but the bath water is a really pretty blue color. You can see it's actually darker blue than even it looks on the camera. It's like a royal blue color in person. The flash is making it look much brighter, but it's a royal blue color, really like a navy / royal blue. So it's a mixture of the two. It's a really, really beautiful color. The bath water smells really nice, and the bath bomb was super cute. The bath art was beautiful. So all in all, I really love this bath bomb from Nature's Whimsy. And so that's it for the bath bomb from Nature's Whimsy. I really loved it. It was so much fun, actually. So now I have the pleasure of being able to decide what I'm going to do as far as a demo for it. Should be fun. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.